Hello and welcome to the 2-minute series. The topic for today are the plant adaptations in aquatic environment. This is another type of important adaptation that plants are showing. The first word here, that first term that you need to know here are the hydrophytes. Now these are basically plants which are permanently immersed in water. So this is something that is important, that they are not partially immersed, but they are fully submerged within water, and this is why they are known as hydrophytes, that is water loving also. Next category is the parenchyma. That is important. This is a type of tissue in plants which is an adaptation. In this particular tissue, what happens is that the cells have large spaces which are present in them. This space is what is filled with air, and that is why this tissue is what is known as the parenchyma. Not only this space provides easy access or easy movement of oxygen that is produced during photosynthesis, but this also helps in making the plant more buoyant, and as a result of which the plants are going to be inflated and they are going to be floating on water bodies. So this is another type of an adaptation. This parenchyma tissue can be present in the leaves, it can be present in the stems, it can be present in a structure called the petiole. Petiole is the structure which connects the leaf to the stem. So this is also something that you should know. So this is what you need to know about the parenchyma. Next is something called emergent hydrophytes. Now these are one category of hydrophytes where we are seeing that some part of the plant is what is above the water, and in these kinds of hydrophytes, roots are what are not seen. So if you are asked a question that absence of roots in water plants is an adaptation to the aquatic environment, then very much it is correct, because roots have the primary function of absorbing water, but these plants being already present in water, they do not need roots. So this is something that is one adaptation. Another adaptation could be roots are not deep, they are very small, they're just minimal roots. So this is also an adaptation of these plants, of these water plants. So this is something that you should know compared to the previous plants that we discussed where they were adapting to water scarcity. In that cases, roots were very long, they were going deeper. So this is one difference that can be asked, and this is going to be an important analysis. So that's about the plant adaptations in aquatic environment, and that's about our discussion today. I thank you all for watching the video.